Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Mentor. So in this video I will be sharing with you new data entry project. So let's get started. So here is the project number 4 which we have started our data entry course. So basically here guys, you can see the client instruction are very simple. So he provided me some file and he wanted me to convert all image into Excel. The following data needed: name, number, address. So here is the screenshot which he sent it to me. There are a lot of screenshot guys. I will be sharing with you all of them and the video description, so then you can also practice on that, because the main reason behind that I'm sharing with you this, so that you can practically practice on it and you get experience, and when you start bidding on a Upwork, Fiverr, or any other freelancer website, so that you know exactly about the work, that how the work should be done by myself. Okay, so very simple guys. So I have already opened the Excel file here. Okay, and now I will start from here. So basically guys, here you can see 1011 Sunset LLC at their business name, and below guys here you can see at their address, and below is their contact number. Okay, if I just go down, okay guys, so here you can see at their business name, then their location. Okay, so you will need to write from here to their complete location, then again their contact number, then again here you can see this is the same. So very simple, all of them are similar guys. You just need to extract this data and enter into this Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so your job will be done. And also guys, in the upcoming videos I will be show you how to do this type of automatically. Like there will be some tool which will help you to extract this type of data automatically for you. Okay, so don't worry, just keep watching the course, and I hope you will learn a lot of new things on this course. Okay, so let me do guys one entry so that you can understand the process. So here I will just type the name. Okay, their business name. Okay, Sunset LLC. Okay, then we will type their location address. Okay, so 111 then west. And also guys, if your typing speed is not good, don't worry, just keep practice on it. I hope your typing speed will be also improve when you practice on that. Okay, so now let's also type another. And also guys, whenever you get some experience, and when you have when you got more project on Upwork or any other freelancer website, then you don't need to do this step over by yourself. You can also hire other freelancers, so they will do this type of work for you. Okay, so now let's also type their contact number. So here guys, you can see at their contact number 25002 then 00. Okay, so guys, you can see we done one entry. And now if I just click here guys, for example, when you complete all of them, then you will need to click here, then you will need to write all of them too again. Okay, so when you done that, then you will need to click here, then you will need to tap all of them. So there are a lot of entries, so I will be sharing with you all of this link in the description. Okay, so now let's also do another entry, and that will be the last one, and then I hope you will understand the whole process and you will do all of them by yourself. Okay, so I'm just giving you a demo so that you understand. Okay, so now let's type their business name. Okay, and also guys, when you complete one entry, please also check the spelling, so because you don't need to make any spelling mistake on this type of project, because if you do so, there will be very low chances again for you to hire you again by the same client, because nobody want to have any mistake on their file. Okay, so it's very important to consider when you typing anything. Okay, so let's go down again guys, and now we will type their contact number 310, okay, 827 then 6542. Okay guys, so you saw the process. It's very simple, and when you do that, then you will need to type another entry. Okay, so here you can see then you will need to tap this one and then go on so on. Okay, so very simple guys. I hope you understand the whole process. So I will provide you this link in the description, so just download it and start practice on it. And if you want to be an expert guys in any field, then you need to also give time for that field. Okay, so if you are starting freelancing and this is your first time, you didn't make any money yet, so I will highly recommend you to start working as a data entry operator on Upwork, yeah, any other freelancer. It will help you, and you will also gain confidence, and you will know how exactly people are making money. Okay, so when you get expert, then you can go on to the lead generation, web research, and so on. Okay, so I will be showing you everything step by step in this course, so keep watching. See you in the next video. Bye.